Welcome to today's episode, where we dive deep into the cosmos with the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. Today, we're uncovering some of the most shocking revelations that have even left NASA astounded. Stay tuned as we explore these cosmic discoveries and what they mean for our understanding of the universe. Kicking off our exploration today, let's dive into the fascinating world of Exoplanet K2-18b, which is bursting with life-supporting molecules. This discovery hints that K2-18b could be teeming with life. In September 2023, the James Webb Space Telescope, an advanced tool for infrared astronomy, equipped with ultra-sensitive instruments capable of capturing high-resolution images, made an intriguing find. It detected significant amounts of methane and carbon dioxide in K2-18b's atmosphere. Situated a mere 120 light-years from Earth, this planet is intriguingly larger than Earth, but smaller than the gas giants in our solar system, leading scientists to speculate that it might be a high-end world and exoplanet with a liquid water ocean concealed under a thick hydrogen-rich atmosphere. Considering that 1 light-year equates to 37,200 human years, and if K2-18b does indeed harbor extraterrestrial life, there's a captivating possibility. If these beings started their journey even before today, they could arrive on Earth in as little as 4,464 years. Imagine within our lifetimes, or just beyond, we might witness the arrival of aliens from K2-18b, an extraordinary chapter waiting to unfold in our cosmic neighborhood. What's truly thrilling about the James Webb Space Telescope is how it's transporting us back in time with each image it sends. A recent revelation from this powerful observatory is challenging our entire understanding of the universe's infancy. The telescope has detected carbon, a fundamental building block of life, dating back to just 350 million years after the Big Bang, which occurred about 13.8 billion years ago. Using its near-infrared camera, the James Webb captures images of distant celestial objects. Since light from these objects takes eons to reach us, we're essentially looking back in time, witnessing the universe as it was billions of years ago. This time-traveling aspect of the telescope has recently brought into focus a massive cloud of carbon in a distant galaxy, a finding that's stirring up the scientific community. Previously, astronomers believed carbon began to form about 1 billion years after the Big Bang. This new discovery suggests that carbon, and potentially life, might have appeared much sooner than we thought. This raises an exhilarating possibility. Life could have begun developing across the universe much earlier than previously believed, and who knows? There could be other life forms out there existing right now. Next on our cosmic tour, we'll explore galaxies that look strikingly similar to our own Milky Way. Stay tuned as we uncover more about our galactic neighbors. Our journey through the cosmos takes us next to our home galaxy, the Milky Way, and its astonishing lookalikes, massive, mysterious galaxies scattered across the universe, nearly as large as our own. These galactic giants defy expectations, presenting a puzzling, and for now, inexplicable picture. They're not just enormous, they harbor red stars that are far too mature for their supposed youth, which has scientists scratching their heads. These enigmatic findings are in stark contrast to prevailing theories about the early universe's appearance. Based on recent images from the James Webb Space Telescope, it appears these galaxies formed merely 500 to 700 million years after the Big Bang. What's more, these images present a stark deviation from those captured by its less powerful predecessor, the Hubble Space Telescope. Addressing this cosmic mystery, Joel Leah, an assistant professor of astronomy and astrophysics at Penn State, expressed his astonishment. We had specific expectations about the early universe, primarily that galaxies from that time would be young and small. Discovering galaxy candidates as massive as our own Milky Way, when the universe was just 3% of its current age, is nothing short of astounding. This realization underscores a humbling fact. While we've learned a lot, there's still a vast universe out there about which we know very little. Up next, We'll dive into the latest news from the James Webb Space Telescope, released just this past week, revealing more surprises from the depths of space. When you hear massive asteroid collision, it's not exactly comforting, fortunately. This cosmic event occurred far beyond our neighborhood, in the Beta Pictoris system, 63 light-years away. This dramatic occurrence highlights the raw power and peril of asteroids. The Beta Pictoris system, a youthful cosmic assembly only about 20 million years old compared to our 4.5 billion-year-old solar system, is still in its planetary formative stages. It hosts two known gas giants, Beta Pictoris b and c, and is a hotbed of dust and debris, signaling active planetary construction. Christine Shen, an astronomer at Johns Hopkins University, unveiled these insights at a recent astronomy conference. She has been tracking Beta Pictoris since 2004 and 2005 using the Spitzer Space Telescope. Fast forward to 2023, and the James Webb Space Telescope has provided us with a much crisper perspective. With this advanced view, Chen and her team noted a significant change. Two large dust clouds previously observed had vanished. This led them to deduce that a colossal collision between two giant asteroids had occurred, pulverizing them into the dust clouds observed earlier, which have since dissipated. The chilling part of this discovery is not just the sheer scale of the collision, but also what it reminds us about the unpredictable dangers lurking in space. Imagine a dust cloud so colossal that it's estimated to be 100,000 times the mass of the asteroid that exterminated the dinosaurs. Now hold on to that thought as we venture into even more staggering cosmic phenomena, supermassive black holes. Just mentioning supermassive and black holes in the same sentence is enough to send shivers down your spine, or perhaps draw you into an irresistible cosmic mystery. In 2023, the James Webb Telescope provided astronomers with an unprecedented opportunity to observe starlight from two ancient galaxies. They discovered evidence suggesting that one of these galaxies might have hosted the very first supermassive black hole. Thanks to the vast distances involved and the finite speed of light, these observations allow us to see back in time, offering glimpses of the galaxy as it appeared when the universe was less than 1 billion years old, a stark contrast to the universe's current age of approximately 13.7 billion years. You might wonder why peering into such a distant past, over 13 billion years ago, could be unsettling. Here's why. It underscores the terrifying reality of black holes' growth over eons, amassing incomprehensible mass as they devour planets and galaxies, absorbing them into their eerie, lifeless voids. Just ponder that as you drift off tonight, the silent, relentless expansion of these cosmic behemoths. Imagine drifting off to sleep while somewhere in the vast cosmos, the James Webb Telescope picks up enigmatic signals from rogue planets, mysterious worlds that wander through space without orbiting stars. Just last year, astronomers stumbled upon a pair of these free-floating giants, known as jumbos or Jupiter-mass binary objects, emitting strange radio signals seldom observed from other celestial bodies. Luis Rodriguez and his team, using data from the U.S. National Radio Astronomy Observatory, detected these signals emanating from the Orion Nebula. One particular duo, dubbed Jumbo 24, was found releasing steady, powerful radio waves, sparking curiosity and intrigue as scientists continue to unravel the source of these cryptic transmissions. Moving on, forget the dark night cosmic phenomena are here to steal the spotlight. Just 2 years ago, in 2022, the James Webb Telescope made an intriguing observation that could potentially redefine our cosmic understanding. Initially thought to be galaxies, these observations might actually be something even more extraordinary: dark stars. What are dark stars, you might wonder? Ironically, these are incredibly bright celestial bodies that shine with enough intensity to rival an entire galaxy of stars. Even more fascinating is that they are believed to be fueled by dark matter, composed of mysterious substances that continue to elude our grasp. So, as you nestle into your bed tonight, Let your dreams be as boundless as the mysteries unfolding across the universe. Originating from black holes, cool, right? This might sound a bit unsettling, but if scientists and astronomers can confirm the existence of dark stars, they could potentially explain how a remarkably young universe came to harbor so many massive galaxies, like those observed by the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. In more thrilling cosmic news from just a few days ago, the JWST has uncovered some stellar drama deep in space. Astronomers have made a fascinating discovery. A distant star previously thought to be a lone protostar is actually a duo of infant stars. Here's where it gets both cool and a tad cosmic terrifying. These young stars are blasting out intense energy jets as they voraciously consume gas and dust from their surroundings. These stellar siblings are situated about 400 light-years from Earth, so thankfully, we're at a safe enough distance to observe their celestial tantrums without any worry. For about 50 years, scientists have been studying this system. They had identified a young star named WL20S, encircled by a large ring of gas and dust known as a protoplanetary disk. However, it was the sharp eyes of the JWST that confirmed the true nature of this dynamic stellar pair, offering a riveting glimpse into the early stages of star formation. Recently, the James Webb Space Telescope made an eye-opening revelation. It's not just one star, but a pair, and they're showing off some stellar pyrotechnics with superheated material being ejected from their magnetic poles. Mary Barsany, an astronomer with the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, SETI, captured the excitement perfectly. What we discovered was absolutely wild. We actually saw that what was thought to be one star was actually two stars, side by side. These binary stars orbit each other and likely originated from a single protoplanetary disk that split early in their formation. The disks encircling these stars span roughly 100 times the distance between the Sun and Earth. Though these stars are estimated to be between 2 and 4 million years old, which may sound ancient, the truth is, in the cosmic timeline, they're just infants. This celestial nursery holds the potential for planet formation from the material left in these disks, though, regrettably, we might never witness these planets directly. Next up, we delve into a topic that could turn the field of cosmology on its head: inconsistent expansion. This recent discovery suggests that our entire understanding of the universe might be significantly flawed. It's a rough day for anyone entrenched in the cosmos, a reminder of just how much we still have to learn about the vast universe around us. Cosmologists have stumbled upon a perplexing phenomenon. Depending on where they look, the universe seems to be expanding at wildly inconsistent rates, a conundrum that defies our current understanding of the cosmos. This puzzle, now dubbed the Hubble tension, emerged from a combination of observations made by the Hubble Space Telescope in 2019 and more recent data from the James Webb Space Telescope in 2023. And no, it's not due to measurement errors. They've checked and triple-checked. According to a leading study officer and professor of physics and astronomy at Johns Hopkins University, the absence of measurement errors only leaves one thrilling possibility: we might fundamentally misunderstand the universe. It seems the scientific community may need to go back to the drawing board. On a more extreme note, let's journey to a hellish exoplanet observed by the James Webb Space Telescope, known as VHS 1256b. Picture a planet straight out of a horror novel. The atmosphere is a maelstrom of clouds swirling with sizzling, gritty flecks of sand. Temperatures soar to a scorching 1500 Fe, and brutal sandstorms are the norm. When the clouds grow too heavy, they likely unleash a bizarre, sand-filled rain upon the surface. Scientists recently utilized the James Webb to delve into this daunting and fiery world. Beyond its extreme climate, scientists have discovered some familiar elements in the atmosphere: Exoplanet VHS 1256b, water, methane, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide. Interestingly, the days on this planet are almost as long as ours, only 2 hours shorter. The presence of water and methane is particularly exciting because these elements are linked to biological activity on Earth, hinting at the potential for life. Although the James Webb Space Telescope only launched at the end of 2021, it has already made groundbreaking discoveries that are reshaping our understanding of the cosmos. We're still in the early stages of its mission, so who knows what incredible findings are on the horizon? Let's dive into some of the most fascinating and mysterious discoveries so far. First on our list is the discovery of unbelievable galaxies. These galaxies, nearly the size of the Milky Way, were a surprising find for scientists. In these deep field images from the telescope, huge galaxies filled with mature red stars were observed. Appearing as tiny reddish dots to the powerful telescope, these galaxies existed at the dawn of time, about 500 to 700 million years after the Big Bang. This unexpected discovery challenges our understanding of how and when galaxies form, opening up new questions about the early universe. Years after the Big Bang, astronomers expected to see young, small galaxies in the early universe. However, the James Webb Space Telescope revealed something entirely different: massive galaxies filled with old red stars. This was a stark contrast to previous observations made by the Hubble Space Telescope. Joe Leah, an assistant professor of astronomy and astrophysics at Penn State, explained that these galaxies appeared 50 times more massive than expected, with some reaching the mass of our Milky Way when the universe was only 3% of its current age. Next up, let's talk about the discovery of jumbos. In 2023, the James Webb Space Telescope found over 500 rogue planets in the Orion Nebula. These rogue planets, which don't orbit a star, are known as Jupiter mass binary objects, or jumbos. Recently, researchers detected mysterious radio signals from a pair of these jumbos. Thanks to the James Webb Telescope's ability to detect infrared radiation, it was revealed that about 80 of these rogue planets exist in pairs, orbiting each other at distances ranging from 25 to 400 times the distance from Earth to the Sun. Scientists are still trying to understand these intriguing objects. This discovery, like many others made by the James Webb Space Telescope, challenges our current knowledge and opens up new possibilities in the field of astronomy. They're not even sure if these jumbos are planets or entirely new entities larger than planets, but smaller than brown dwarfs. This strange revelation leads us to our next mystery: the enigmatic radio signals these jumbos are emitting. To understand these peculiar objects better, researchers wanted to see if they produced radio waves, as different cosmic objects emit unique radio signatures. By sifting through archives from the U.S. National Radio Astronomy Observatory, they discovered that one pair, Jumbo 24, did indeed emit radio waves. This pair is the heaviest and has the closest spacing between its two components. The data revealed that the radio waves from Jumbo 24 were steady and strong, with a power equivalent to 1/4 of a ton of TNT and frequencies between 6 to 8 G. But here's the kicker: the signals lacked circular polarization, which usually indicates the presence of magnetic fields, a common feature in planets. This made the radio signals from Jumbo 24 particularly unusual, not matching the expected patterns from planets, brown dwarfs, or pulsars. Researchers even considered the possibility that the signals might be coming from an object behind the jumbos, but this remains an open question. As the James Webb Space Telescope continues to explore the cosmos, we can only anticipate more such intriguing discoveries that challenge our understanding of the universe. They considered the possibility that the signals might be coming from an object behind Jumbo 24, but that's highly unlikely. So, the mystery remains, and further research is underway. One of the biggest questions we all have about space is, of course, whether there's life out there besides our own. It's one of the main reasons we're so eager to explore the cosmos. Enter K2-18b, a fascinating exoplanet that might bring us closer to answering that question. The James Webb Space Telescope recently found certain molecules in this planet's atmosphere that could indicate conditions suitable for life. K2-18b, located in the constellation Leo, about 120 light-years away from our solar system, was discovered in 2019. Welcome to Blessovia Science TV, where we take you on an exhilarating journey through the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of science. We are excited to offer you the opportunity to become a valued member of our ever-growing community of cosmic enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. Exclusive access to cosmic content. As a member of Blessovia Science TV, you will gain exclusive access to a treasure trove of cosmic content, including documentaries, interviews with leading scientists, space missions updates, and awe-inspiring visualizations of the universe, live Q, and sessions with experts. Your membership will grant you the chance to participate in live Q and sessions with renowned scientists, astronomers, and space explorers. Get your burning questions answered by those who push the boundaries of human knowledge. Embark on a journey that spans the cosmos and join us in unraveling the secrets of the universe. Become a Blessovia Science TV member today, and together we will reach for the stars. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to leave your comment.